We begin by downloading the installation program from the SimplexNumerica website, www.SimplexNumerica.com. Go to the Download section at the top of the page. On the Download page, select Download from Google Drive. Then select the Download SimplexNumerica 64-bit button underneath. Google says it cannot preview the installation zip file. This file is too large for Google to preview. However, it is actually quite small at only 200 megabytes. If you install modern games or other programs, they often have gigabytes of data to install. However, since the browser cannot render such a large file, downloading it to your local device allows you to open it with native software. Next, another message from Google appears. Google Drive cannot scan this file for viruses because the setup zip file is too large. As stated here, Google does not scan files larger than 100 megabytes. Google therefore recommends that users download and scan this file using their own up-to-date local antivirus software. However, SimplexNumerica has already been scanned for viruses. You can save or open the zip file directly. After downloading, the file should be opened. This refers to the zip file. After opening the zip file, you will see that the program inside is called SimplexNumerica 64 setup.exe. You can now run this program or unzip the zip file first. It doesn't matter. You can also run or open it directly in Windows Explorer. Another somewhat dubious message box has now appeared. This is a new feature that is only displayed in Windows 10 or 11. The Microsoft Windows Defender Smart Screen may warn when starting a brand new SimplexNumerica version. This happens because the file is new and has not yet built Smart Screen reputation, as Microsoft told. But the SimplexNumerica application is digitally signed and safe to run. When launching a new version of SimplexNumerica for the first time, Windows Defender Smart Screen may display a warning such as Windows protected your PC, or this app is from an unknown publisher. This does not indicate a security problem. Smart Screen does not evaluate software based on its name or popularity, but solely on the reputation of the specific file. Each new release of SimplexNumerica has a new file hash and therefore starts with no established Smart Screen reputation. Reputation builds automatically over time as more users download and run the new version without issues. So, SimplexNumerica is fully digitally signed, authentic, and safe to use. If the warning appears, you can start the application via More Info, Run Anyway. This will launch the SimplexNumerica setup program. An earlier version has been found, which you can either uninstall first or overwrite by clicking Accept and Continue. The installation will take a moment. Once it is complete, you can continue with the installation. Every Windows application is based on a program library. SimplexNumerica is based on a well-known Microsoft C++ library. Therefore, this must also be installed. If you have already done this, you can uncheck the box in the dialog box shown here. Usually, you can uncheck the box during a later program update. The following Windows apps were installed by the setup program: SimplexNumerica, Simplexity, Simplex Slideshow, Simplex Editor, and Simplex IPC. SimplexNumerica and Simplexity are only stored on the desktop. You can place the other apps on the desktop yourself if you wish. They are located in the Windows Programs section.